Welcome to Parsimony, your all-in-one business management solution. Today, we're going to focus on creating a quality feedback entry. Let's get started. First, log into your Parsimony system. Once you're logged in, you'll arrive at the Parsimony dashboard. Here, you will see various modules available within the system. Now, click the Quality module. In this module, you'll see multiple options including quality feedback, quality meeting, and more. Today, we're focusing on quality feedback. Click on Quality Feedback. This will take you to the Quality Feedback List page, where you can see all the feedback entries made previously. Now, to create a new quality feedback entry, click on the Add Quality Feedback button located at the top right corner of your screen. You will now see the quality feedback form. Let's fill it out step by step. First, select the template. This can be a product or service. Start typing the name, and a drop-down will appear with relevant suggestions. Select the appropriate one. Next, navigate to the feedback type field. Here, you can categorize your feedback as either user or customer. Select the type that best describes your entry. In Feedback By, select the appropriate customer or username from the drop-down list. Now, let's move to the Parameters section. Various parameters are predefined in the quality feedback template you create. Next is the rating for a parameter from 1 to 5. Last is the feedback based on the given rating. This is where you can provide detailed information about your feedback. Be as specific as possible to ensure clarity. For example, if it's a complaint, mention what exactly went wrong. Once you've filled out all necessary fields, take a moment to review your entry. When you're satisfied, click the Save button. A confirmation message will appear, indicating that your quality feedback has been successfully created. Congratulations! You've just submitted your feedback. Return to the quality feedback list. Your new entry will now be visible in the list. And that's it. You've learned how to create a quality feedback entry in Parsimony. Remember, quality feedback is vital for continuous improvement. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to explore more features of Parsimony.